What's up everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your PS4 and erase the data so you can safely either give it to a friend or sell it to someone else. Maybe you upgraded to a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X or S, or maybe you just don't play your PS4 anymore and you want to sell it or give it to someone else. No matter the reason, before you get rid of your device, it's important to completely erase your PS4 and do a full factory reset. This ensures that whoever ends up with the device can't use special tools to recover any of your personal information or content that was previously on the console without your permission. And while this process does deactivate this device as your primary PS4, I'll link to my videos in the description and pinned comment that will show you how to either deactivate your PlayStation Network PSN account on the console before you erase it as a safeguard, or how to deactivate your PSN account remotely even after you've gotten rid of your device. Now let's walk through the steps to factory reset and erase your PS4 and get it ready either for sale or to give to someone else. Step 1. Navigate to your PlayStation 4 home screen and then navigate up to view the menu bar. Step 2. Choose Settings in that menu bar. The settings screen opens. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then choose Initialization in this menu. The initialization screen is displayed. Step 4. Choose Initialize PS4. The Initialize PS4 screen is shown. You'll be given options to do either a quick or full initialization. A quick initialization will wipe your PS4 faster, but there will still be the chance that someone using special recovery tools can still pull your personal data off the device. A full initialization takes several hours, but it erases your PS4 data in such a way that it can't be recovered. Step 5. To ensure we completely delete our PS4 data so that no one else can recover it, we'll choose Full. A message is displayed warning you that all users and data will be deleted and that this PS4 will be deactivated for any users who have it activated as their primary PS4. Step 6. Choose Initialize. Another screen is shown warning you that all users and data will be deleted from this PS4 and that the operation takes several hours. Step 7. Click Yes to continue. A screen will be shown letting you know that your PS4 is initializing, showing you the progress, and letting you know how much time is left. After the initialization is complete, your PlayStation 4 will power itself down. The PS4 will be completely erased and restored to its default factory settings so that when you turn the device on, it will be in the same state it was when it was first removed brand new from the box. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.